is used to clean water by taking out the salt, bacteria, mud, or anything else that pollutes water.
When Whitley and I first heard about 20% time, we were really excited because of a foundation we had just heard about called Water is Life.
Water is Life is a foundation that makes desalination filters and delivers them to villages while educating the village about hygiene.
Right when Whitley and I saw their website and the things that they built and did, we were really inspired, and we knew that that's exactly what we wanted to do.
At the start of the project, we got in touch with the head of the Water is Life Foundation, Ken Sarai, and we were able to set up a Skype with him.
Mr. Sarai gave us many ideas and suggestions and even told us what to fix or add to our project to make it better. He also sent us some shirts and some of his filters so that we could learn and study them.
After this, we were ready to start our project.
At the beginning of the project, we started out strong, but by the end, we started to lose some steam.
We lost steam because we found out that our filter couldn't actually work like we thought it would, and we would need more high-tech materials.
For a while after this, we had several grueling weeks of research and learning from our mistakes, but this was pretty much getting us nowhere.
After a while, we decided to take a completely different route with more natural supplements.
We decided to use natural remedies that we hoped would remove the impurities from water. For example, we could use potato skins, which are known for taking salt out of water, or oil of oregano, which is known for its antibacterial power and microbes.
We learned a countless number of skills while working on our 20% time project.
First, we learned about the hardships of people all over the world and how they have to face water-related issues every day.
Second, we learned how to express our ideas and plans in the form of writing on our blog. And lastly, we learned how to engineer and design blueprints, work on the 3D printer, experiment with different supplements, and build filters.
We also learned many surprising facts while working on the filter. For example, we didn't realize how much waterborne disease affects people all over the world. For example, 1 billion people die every year from water-related issues, and that's a seventh of the population, and more than half of these people are children.
To help fix this, we have tried researching the main causes of these diseases and tried to put resistance to these things in our filter.
At the end of the project, we finally have a blueprint. Unfortunately, we were unable to construct the prototype because the 3D printer wasn't working and we didn't have enough time.
Our blueprint is a tube with an open bowl at the top. The bowl at the top will use a series of condensation to take out the salt.
The first layer of desalination will be a couple layers of membrane filter, which you can see underneath the bowl right there. And then there will be a metal strainer that will be used to take large chunks of mud or bacteria out of the water before it goes through the smaller processes.
Next will be the oil of oregano, which is known for breaking down bacteria.
After this is chia seeds. Chia seeds are known for their antibacterial power and supply of microbes.
And the next thing is charcoal and coconut skin for the carbon effect, which we use for taking out chemical taste from the water.
Lastly, the water will come out a tube in the bottom as fresh water, and this whole process should take around like 3 minutes. We also hope to finish it over the summer, and we will post pictures on our blog.
Thank you for listening to our project.